Some places are beautiful, others are full of life. And there is one where beauty flows, like water, like purpose. This place is real. It's Tabacón. A river born from the heart of the volcano. Thermal water, alive, natural, free. Not only embraces you, it heals you. Tabacón is more than a 5-star hotel. We work to create impact. We regenerate ecosystems, communities, and futures. While you rest, we educate. While you relax, we heal. As you reconnect, we regenerate what gives us life. Culture, wellness, gastronomy, education, health, community, water, energy, biodiversity. This is not marketing, it's action, it's vision. It's true regeneration. We say we regenerate, and we do. Every program, every project, every team member matters. And all of this is possible thanks to those who believe in this experience. Our guests, our team, our partners. In a world that needs hope, Tabacón is not just a hotel. It's a place where your vacation has meaning.